found in this quote: listening is an art that requires attention over talent, spirit over egos, others over self. And you might have guessed what the next step is, right? It is to sharpen your listening. And this is especially important in a worship band setting. Master the art of listening by learning to truly listen to other band musicians playing, listen to the right band musicians, and follow your worship leader's instructions. Now, in a band setting, I understand that sometimes it could get loud and we may not be able to hear, but don't worry. Our jobs do not require us to just hear, but to listen. It's not just about listening to the entire band. I mean, of course, that's important, but listening to the right instruments at the right time is also what we should do. And this also includes vocalists.